Hello viewers, welcome to Magical Treats. My name is Meenal. In this video, I'll be sharing a recipe of one of the most loved starter, chili paneer. So without wasting time, let's start the video.
Take 150 grams paneer cut into cubes. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste. Add little bit salt. 1 tablespoon cornflour. Half teaspoon black pepper powder. 1 tablespoon Maida or all-purpose flour. Mix everything well. If you find the mixture a little dry, then you can sprinkle some water to mix everything nicely. Refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes. Till the time, soak 2 Kashmiri red chillies in warm water. You can remove all the seeds from them. I have removed some and kept some. Make a paste of it once they are soft. Now let's fry our paneer. Fry them in medium hot oil on medium flame. Keep flipping them till they turn golden red in color. Our paneer is fried well in 5 to 7 minutes. So let's take them out. In the same pan, heat 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 chopped green chilli and 1 teaspoon chopped ginger and garlic. Fry them for 30 seconds on high flame. Now I am adding half small onion roughly chopped. This is optional. Fry it for 30 seconds. Next I am adding 1 small onion cut into cubes. Just stir it for 30 seconds. Then add half capsicum again cut into cubes. We will not overcook them. Quickly now we are going to add our sauces. So first I am adding the chili paste, the chilies which we soaked. I just blend them in a mixer and made a paste. Now I am adding 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. I am using dark soy sauce. Soy sauce are mostly salty, so add salt at the very end as per your taste. 1 teaspoon of vinegar. Mix everything well and add the salt at this stage if you want. Now I am adding cornflour slurry. If you want, you can add less. I want it more saucy, so I am adding 3 tablespoons. I am adding 1 tablespoon tomato ketchup just to make it more tangy. You can skip it if you want it spicy. Now switch off the flame and mix everything well, as cornflour will thicken further if the flame will be on. Now add our fried paneer and toss them well in the sauce. Here we go. Time to serve the delicious chili paneer. Garnish with green onion or with coriander. And it's time to enjoy the magical treat. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, let me know in the comment section. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.